Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today, we are pretty much just gonna be doing a truck showcase, and I'm just gonna be showing you every truck, and when we're going through, I'm gonna be DVing also the trucks afterwards. So first, we have a Raptor right here. It's okay. It's not too bad, I guess, but let's turn it to night real quick. I'm also gonna be using my V menu, so if that it's not gonna be an ERP. That's the easiest way to say it. But first we have this nice Ford Raptor. It's not my personal favorite, but to others it may be. It's not my favorite. It also has the okay interior. You can also put a camper on the back if you want to. My game seems to be lagging, so. Okay, so second we have a bigger truck, is the easiest way to say it. So we have a Queen raised Tweety tires, big truck. That's okay, it's not my favorite, but it's definitely a nice truck. It can tow. Let's show you on the inside. It's not bad. Has a little roof. Oops. Yeah, it's not bad, I guess, but let's go on to the next one. Next we have a Polaris. Not bad. It's pretty nice. I like it. That's pretty nice interior, as you can see. Let's go on to the next one. They're all just rock crawlers. I'm telling you, they're not really rock crawlers, but they're all definitely off-road cars. This one, they're also all diesel. Also, this one's pretty nice. The interior is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. The windows break, so it's not bad. On to the next one. These are all Ford, Chevy, and Dodge. As you can tell, this is a 6-door. More like, let me see. It's about a 6-seater or more. No, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, about 6. Something like that. They're all not too fast, as you can tell. Has a little backup sound. It's a Dodge Ram, as you can tell. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Now this one is what you're gonna like right here. Is the big truck. It's a Ford. I don't know. We have also a couple of Ford lowriders and all that. But yeah, so we have Ford right here. Diesel. It's a 4-seater. Not bad interior, but oh my god. There we go. Okay. Game's a little lagging. Too many trucks, I'm telling you. Okay, this one is a we've also used a couple of these trucks, as you can tell. So this one's pretty nice. This one's not bad, I guess. Doesn't have bad interior, but it's okay. Next we have a Razor. Actually, it's a Polaris Razor, but it's not bad. Whoa, I almost hit. Yeah. So we have a lot of trucks, but I don't use most of them. So next we have a Shelby, a Ford Shelby. She's pretty quick. She tows a trailer. All of these trucks tow trailers, by the way. We have a couple trailers too, but off that. Yeah, so we have this. It's not bad. These all have breakable windows, as you can tell. But it's not bad. Pretty quick. But now on to the next. These are all lifted now. All that. Oh shoot! What the? Okay, so next we have a. It's a Chevy, right? No, it's Denali GMC. So we have a Denali GMC. It's in white. It tows trailer. Has a welder on the back. Miller. I don't know if you guys like Miller or not. I'm not a big fan of them. Break the window. You can tell it has breakable windows. It's blacked out, as you can tell. Alright, on to the next one. Next, we have a pretty much toy hauler or 5-wheel toy hauler. Yeah, that's a 5-wheel toy hauler trailer. This is the Denali GMC Denali HD. It's a long bed. It has dualies on the back. It's a diesel. It's not too quick. It's just this one's just made for towing trailers. This one right here, no, this one is just for messing around. As you can tell, this is just the off-road truck. It's not bad. I like it. It's okay. It has blacked out windows, as you can tell. It has an okay interior. You can tell. It has a little sleeping bed right there. All that. But yeah, on to the next one. Next we have a Ford. I'm not really sure what this is called. It's an F250. It's a diesel, as you can tell. It has all the extras. It has it's okay. I don't like it. Next we have a Reaper. Ford F250. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a Ford F250. This one has green interior. Not my big fan of it. It has breakable windows, as you can tell. It has all that. Nothing really fancy. On to the next. This one right here, this is just a Phantom. Pretty much just a semi-toller and all that, so not a big fan of it. But yeah, on to the next one. This right here is a Chevy Silverado. It's not bad. It's pretty quick, not too bad. Right here we have a buggy. It's not too bad. I like it. There's no interior, of course. Right here we have a lowrider, six door bed, small bed, tow hauler. It's just a long truck. Hey, that's all it is. It's supposed to be a lowrider. Next we have a little wagon. It's a lifted. It's supposed to be for it's not bad. I like it. It's a rock crawler mostly. Up to you what you would like to call it or whatever. It doesn't matter. It is a nice interior, I think. Yeah, it's not bad. And next we have a lifted Excursion. Not bad. This is just for mostly off-road crawling. Has a pretty good interior. Not bad. Very nice interior. But to the next one. Right here we have a C10. Step side. Low rider, if you'd like to call it. It's pretty quick. It hits like 120. But on to the next one, we have a Ford or Chevy Silverado. What am I saying? It's pretty good. Long bed. It's 4-seater. Whatever, drugs, whatever you would like to put in the back. And yeah, it's not. It's just we have a K5 Blazer right here. Chevy. Probably one of my favorites. Just a nice little drive around and whatever you like to call it. There's cruiser. Alright, we have a gang car that says Dub on the front of it. It's a Chevy, as you can tell. It's not bad. It's just a gang car, It's a Chevy dome. Right here we have a Chevy. pretty quick. Just kinda, you're gonna get a puller for this one though. Not too tall. Whatever you like to call it. So I don't know if I would definitely drive this around, but it's up to you if you would like to. The last car we have is a Chevy. Just really lifted. It's definitely gonna flip if you try to turn it. As you can tell right there, it's an easy flipper. So it's usually up to you what you like to drive. It also has a toolbox you can put as an extra. If you guys ever want to put like extras on your cars or upgrades, you guys come on over to my dealership if you're in the server. It's right there. You can see it's on Lower Road, right here. Want to come check it out? Come on, check it out. I do a whole bunch of stuff. Here's the postal for you. Let me go over here. So the postal for my dealership is 30,000 for a month. So if you're looking for a truck or any kind of cars, I'm selling trucks, Lambos, supercars, sports cars, anything you think of. I sell all of it. So if you guys are ever wondering if I have that in stock, I can go and check it. And yeah, but if you guys are ever anything, but I think I'm gonna end the video there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share it to your friends. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers. We're at 47. Please try to help me hit that goal. That's my goal right now, at least. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. See you, boys.